2023, a year of profound catalytic change. A channeled message from the Sirian Blue White Collective. Greetings, dear ones. We come to you at this time as we explore the energies of your future year 2023. As we attune to your energy, we can sense the deep fatigue that so many are feeling as humanity works its way through the patterns of change you are all experiencing on a personal and global scale. We do sense the luminous hope you feel in your hearts. However, we also sense the weighty veils of energy that emerge as the planet lifts itself out of historical density. These are no doubt challenging times. However, you are, no doubt, a being of powerful luminous energy. We join you in these moments to help remind you of the energy you hold in the inner sanctum of your being, a light that is now emerging so powerfully and so transformatively that you are lifted by its grace. As we look into the probabilities for 2023, we can assess that humanity has aligned itself to catalyze a powerful movement forward in the ascension. In practical terms, you understand that this implies a series of experiences that are global, regional, and personal. Experience becomes a great teacher in 2023. You see, dear ones, these experiences will nurture deep realizations, great internal and external awareness, decisive actions, and enlightened becoming. Seasoned in the art of personal transformation, you each realize that the experiences crafted by your unique and collective souls are destined to lead to the deeper light, a light that is your essential nature. They draw upon the light to heal, to create solutions, to create new order, and to create peace. In this spirit, you can conceptualize 2023 as a year of catalytic healing. It is time for each one of you to feel the light and the power that you hold in your inner nature. The nature of life is an ebb and flow of energy, one that stimulates and then recesses, molding in its passage ever-transforming landscapes of conscious experience. With each recess of energy, it magnetically pulls upon the light to draw forth and rebalance the expression. We speak metaphorically in this way to help you remember the greater purpose and potential of challenging experience. It is designed to draw from within you a light that knows how to heal, to rebalance, and to break free from restrictive energy patterns that keep one contained in a structure that is not serving its highest expression of love. Humanity understands itself to stand at a crossroad. A crossroad is a place where destiny is chosen. The choice is a moment where competing powers of guidance can emerge. One can be guided by what appears to be rational analysis, or a deeper intuitive knowing that may transcend the limited view of the known facts. You see, dear ones, rational analysis can draw upon guidance that comes from a deeper place in your being. You are learning to listen to your heart and the wisdom of your soul to guide you. Remember this in the moments ahead, for you will learn to use it daily, hourly, minute by minute to guide your choices and your actions. You are learning to let the light in your heart guide every action you take. This implies the small moments where you learn to handle personal conflict with strength when required, and with grace when inspired. It also implies the greater moments when more monumental experiences touch you personally or collectively within your community, country, or even on a global scale. You see, dear ones, you are indeed at a crossroad. It is a crossroad where you are being guided to manifest a world that is inspired by the luminous spirit within. It is a collective personal empowerment, a time of both challenge and grace. It is a time when the adversity of darkness inspires the power and magical love of the Spirit in flesh. We encourage you to think of 2023 as a year of a magical journey. It's a passage that will help humanity create new realizations. As you move through what will seem as a constantly changing landscape, we encourage you to pause often and ask yourself simply, am I aligned with the truth in my heart? It will feel at times kaleidoscopic, an ever-shifting landscape upon which it is hard to focus. You will feel at times as if you are moving through a tunnel of ever-shifting fragments of light. Yet as you allow yourself to be inspired by the endless guidance emerging from within your heart, you will discover the kaleidoscopic light represents a transition of density. You will see as you follow the path your heart has laid before you. It will teach you to align with a greater wisdom that is both personal and collective to the soul of humanity. You need not dream the overwhelming dream of great global transformation. This, dear ones, is at hand. You need simply to be guided by the impressions in your own heart and experience. This will, however, lead to a profound collective transformation as the hearts of humanity align one by one with a perennial wisdom that knows the purpose and destiny of the soul of humanity. It is a wisdom that holds you in the embrace of its wings. You see, dear ones, it is not a time to be in fear. It is a time to realize you hold within you a light, a constant stream of guidance, an awareness of the powerful attributes of love that will guide your every thought and every step if you allow it to. You have the strength, the courage, the discernment, the wisdom, the grace, the forgiveness, the kindness, the mercy, the honesty, the humility, and the majesty to move through every current in which you find yourself moving. You are grace becoming grace. You are love learning to manifest in its full spectrum of vibratory resonance. You are the ascendant soul of humanity. We realize this message may seem at moments cryptic, for we are looking at the very big picture of what is emerging. However, we also realize the personal nature of this message and the depths of its significance to you. If you are reading these words, it is by your soul's pulse that you find yourself gazing. You are being reminded that you have within you everything you need to emerge in the light of the ascending planet Gaia. Hold this in your heart in moments of joy and laughter. Hold it equally in your heart when you are uncertain, overwhelmed, or afraid. There is a luminous future calling the heart of humanity. Like the simple gong of a bell that calls the townsfolk to come together to praise, humanity is being called by the tone of ascension. All of the pieces of the puzzle are being reassembled to design the mosaic of a great celebration. You are a luminous strand in this great composition. We hope you enjoy this overview for what 2023 will bring and the vibratory lift in the heart of humanity that is destined. We look forward to celebrating with you in these future days as a new lightness and a new sense of hope and possibility begins to strengthen in the minds and hearts of an ascending humanity. Reminding you always, through the light of the eternal sun, together with you, we are one.